Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to find RSS feed on Podbean. Before we start, we have the link to Podbean in the description below so you can have an easy access at the end of this video. In order to find your RSS feed on Podbean, make sure to log on into your account, and once you're on your dashboard, you can go ahead and select a podcast. So hover over it and click on Manage Podcast. And then in the podcast panel, you're going to click on Settings, then select Feed still on the left side panel. Now once you click on Feed, you're going to find this page. But look over to the top left area and you can see here RSS feed. Click on it, and then when you scroll down a little bit, you can see use this feed URL in other podcast players. So when you get to this page and you scroll down a little bit, you'll see Podbean app, then it says or use this feed URL in other podcast players. So this is the feed link right here. So all you need to do is to simply click on copy, and your RSS feed has now been located, and you can paste it after copying it anywhere else. Don't forget to check out the link to Podbean in the description to make good use of Podbean and enjoy its content.